is this. It's the RC 4-wheel drive Trail Finder 2 kit. Just showed up on my doorstep today. Pretty excited to dig into it. As you can see, this is going to be an unboxing video. I haven't done one before. This is my first. I enjoy the unboxing videos, so I figured I'd do one of my own. Let's tear into this thing. That's always a good feeling to break the seal on a new kit you just received in the mail. Cool pictures of what's going to be on the inside. Excuse me. Cool pictures of some upgrades, not what's going to be on the inside. Be nice if all that was on the inside. I did pick up these red soft leaf springs. Thought those would be a good addition. Everything's falling out here. Alright. 1.55 metal wheels and tires. Haven't decided yet if I'm going to stick with the 1.55 or go to the 1.9. So the tire, definitely going to get some different tires though. What else we got in here? There's the axle housings. All metal axle housings. These things are pretty sweet. This I'm a little bummed about. I enjoy building the transmissions, but this one comes pre-assembled. I'll probably take it apart, add some grease to it, add some thread locks to the screws. I imagine there's little to none on them. And I definitely think that there's not much grease in there, so I'll add some grease. Second bag here. All sorts of parts and pieces in here. front and rear bumpers. Receiver box, some rod ends. That looks like the skid plate, I guess. Like the chassis plate. Imagine that the electronics, the ESC mount on. Shock hoops. I got some upgraded shock hoops, the G-Lades, dual mounting position, and got some 100mm shocks that I'll probably put in the rear and move the stock rears to the front. Give it a little more travel. And standard hardware bag, lots of hardware. There's the chassis braces, also metal. The ever important manual. It's like a book. Fairly nice. Body set, which is looks to be a project in itself from what I've seen. Yeah, project in itself, like a manual specifically for the body itself. That's different than what I'm used to. This will be my 4th build. I built the SCX-10-2, the Vatera Sender, and Axial Bomber. This one's a bit different than any of those. Small bits and pieces and everything for the body. There's the bed. The first hard shell body I've seen before. like the windows. And the front of the truck itself. This thing looks like it's going to be a lot of work. Haven't decided on a color yet, but I'm going to go with something flat or something flat, olive green maybe, black. Put this aside for now. So I'll share with you the electronics I'll be putting in this. The Castle Mamba X. I'm running the same ESC in the rest of my rigs too. This will be my 4th Mamba X. I'm really pleased with them. Waterproof, has that aux wire on it. You can program one of your switches on your radio to do just about anything. Throttle, steering adjustments. Mostly I use it for the drag brake though. On and off for the drag brake. With the Holmes Hobby 2700 kV. I have the Castle 2850 kV in my SX102 and Vitera. But I see a lot of people like the Holmes Hobby stuff, so I wanted to give it a try for myself. See how I like it. ProTech waterproof servo. Again, once I find something I like and that works, I stick with it. I have this same servo in my SCX10 and my Vitera sender. It's the 3.7 TBL. That's 7.4 volts. It's 650 ounce torque, so pretty heavy duty. And then for the 2-speed transmission, it's got a 646WP, HS 646WP, another waterproof servo. It's a high-tech brand. I figured I'd just go with something basic for the 2-speed transmission. I didn't need anything with, 600 ounces of torque. So yeah, that's where I got going. Looks like it's going to be a pretty fun build. Might as well get started.